So here we have the Vauxhall Antara on a 62 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the top, we have the fuel gauge, and at the bottom, the total miles for this car, which is 63,914. Just above that section, you have the P for park. That is to highlight that this car is an automatic and that it's currently in park. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls available on there. And then over in the center is the main screen for the radio itself. So up there you can see the radio station that is currently being listened to. This car's got FM, AM and auxiliary input, so plenty of ways to listen to your own music. We've also got a CD player as well, which you'll see as we work our way down just there. Main volume for the stereo is in the center. Up the top here we can turn the parking sensors on and off. We can turn the traction control off as well from up there. The CD player that I mentioned is just here. And we then have air conditioning. So if I move the gear lever out the way, you can see that you can adjust the direction of the air, the temperature and the fan speed. That button turns your air conditioning on. You can see the little light to indicate that it's on. Same button again to turn it off. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set just here. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can put the car in eco mode from here. And then finally we have an electronic handbrake, heated driver's seat and heated passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings on each. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.